Hello, everybody. Good Monday. Okay, this is a, what do you call it? Is a sound level tester in Decibel with the sound sensor in Arduino Nano. It's SDA and SCS. A4 it's SDA and A5 is SCL. There we are, SCL, SDA. And the sensor is connected to 80, which is the analog pin 0. All right. So you can sort of test it when you can adjust your pot here to suit your environment. Okay. So but this one can give you an accurate decibel. You can set it up to be accurate. And here are the codes, which I will post on the YouTube sites. I will do one with a Nokia screen, maybe on an LCD. I'm not sure which one would be probably more popular. Okay, so here we are. We have you have to upload or download from your IDE Arduino your wire H. I'm sure you have it already. Your Adafruit GFX H, which you probably have already, and Adafruit SSD 1306, which is to initialize your Oled screen. Then you have initialization of your screen here with the Adafruit, as we said. There it is, the library. There is a library here to initialize your display. Then you go down and you have your baud rate. I like to have a 96 baud rate because Arduino Nano, as much as a Vimo ESP8266, have very little memory, and sometime when you pull down your serial monitor, it freezes, and then you have to restart again. It's okay. So you have a clear display. You've got to clear it and then display. Okay, sound sensor pin input. This is initialize your pin for the sensor, sound sensor, which is analog. And here's the float, because float means there is a decimal number. You know, obviously when you divide it, you have always end up with decimal number. It's not integers. And you have to map your sensor value, which is from 0, to 1023 or 1024, which is 5 volt in this case, or 3.3 volt. It's a voltage divider, and then minimum 30 decibel, which is average hour here between 30 and 60, 70 is fine, and then after that it can become disturbing up to 120. It's analog value, sensor value. You got to print, and decibel and dB. Okay, there we are. Display, clear display. Set size. Here you can set the size smaller or bigger. Usually I put it on 2, but sometimes they overimpose each other, so you got to change your cursor position and so on, and you go over here. Here's a space between the sound level, which is this one here in the middle, the sound level. You can bring it down if you want. If you set your text to 2, because if it's a text of 1, it's very small and it's fine. But if you put it to 2, you have to enlarge the space in between, because otherwise it doesn't look pleasant. Okay, so that's, sorry. Okay, so there we are. You set it to 2, which I did. And display, set a cursor to 0 to 10. Display print, sounds level, obviously. Then it's on the top. And, I'll sort of explain everything now. Yeah. Okay, I don't think we have much more to talk about. Okay, and you have a delay as well, obviously, the time when we clean the screen. Okay, so I think this explained very much, and that's the way it works. When you speak so loud, as I said, you got to adjust your pot here, otherwise it doesn't give you a realistic value. But the value must be like now it's 44, 53, so 58. So it's actually picking up the correct sounds. So yeah. In any case, thank you very much. Have a great Monday, and please give me a thumbs up if you like it.